National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Alamance County, Person County, northern Orange County, northwestern Durham County, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Baines, or near Prospect Hill, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Roxboro, Hillsboro, Mebane, Rougemont, Concord, Carr, Efland, Anna River State Park, Lake Burlington, and Slee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Durham, Orange and Person.